Good morning, children. Let's start today's maths class. Children, today we will start with a new chapter, subtraction. So let's start. First, we will see the definition of subtraction. What is subtraction? Subtraction means taking away a number or a quantity from a given number or a quantity. Each number in a subtraction has a special name. Minuend. What is minuend? The number from which we subtract is the minuend. And subtrahend. What is subtrahend? The number that is subtracted is the subtrahend. And difference. What is the meaning of difference? The result of the subtraction is called the difference. As you can see, we have taken one example. Here we have the number 8888, which is your minuend, and 2222 is your subtrahend. And the answer which we got after subtracting minuend and subtrahend is called the difference. So what is the difference here? 6666. Okay, so let us start with simple subtraction. But before that, we will see some basic rules of subtraction. Let's start with that. This is rule number 1. Here, when you subtract any number with 0, you will get the same number. For example, when we subtract 9 from 0, what is the difference? Yes, 9. We got the same number itself. Similarly, when 749 is subtracted with 0, we got the same number, that is 749. The second rule is that when we subtract the same numbers, the difference will come to 0. Like 62, when subtracted with 62, you will get 0. Similarly, when 842 is subtracted with 842, will give you 0. Okay, so this is the two basic rules of subtraction. So now let us start our exercise. This is exercise 5A, question number 1A. Let's do the question number 1A first. What is the question given here? We have to subtract 75,625 with 42,320. So children, in your previous class, you have learned to subtract 3-digit and 4-digit number. Now we will learn to subtract 5-digit number. As you can see in this question, the numbers are arranged in column form. So how we will subtract? We have to begin from ones. Okay, so here we have digits 5 and 0. When we subtract any number with 0, we get the same number. So when 5 is subtracted with 0, what will be your answer? 5. Then we will move to the next digit, that is at tens place. What digits we have? We have 2 and 2. Both are the same number. So when you subtract these two numbers, what you will get? 0. So you will write 0 here. Then move to the next column, that is hundreds column. Here we have digits 6 and 3. When we subtract 6 and 3, what we will get? 3. Now move to the next column. Here at thousands place we have 5 and 2. When we subtract 5 and 2, we get 3. Now the last column is left, that is 10,000 place. So here we have 7 and 4. 7 minus 4, what you will get? When we subtract 7 and 4, we get 3. So what is your answer? 33,305. Okay, so let's do the next sum. This is question number 2A. This is also what you have seen here. Here also the numbers are arranged in column form. So we will start subtracting from the digits which are at ones place. At ones place we have 3 and 2. When we subtract these two digits, we get 1. 3 minus 2 will give you 1. Next we have tens. So the digits which are at tens place is 1 and 0. So as I told you, when we subtract any number with 0, you will get the same number itself. So when 1 is subtracted with 0, you will get the same digit, that is 1. Then move to hundreds place or column. Here we have 9 and 4. When 9 is subtracted with 4, you will get 5. So 9 minus 4 is your 5. Then move to thousands place. Here we have 7 and 3. 7 and 3 when subtracted will give you 4. Then just move to 10,000s place. At 10,000s place we have digits 5 and 2. When we subtract these two digits, we will get 3. Now the last column which is left is lakh. So here we have two digits again, 3 and 1. When we subtract these two, we will get 2. So what is your answer? 2,34,511. Okay, so now we will do question number 3A. So here also the digits or the numbers are arranged in column form. So you have to begin subtracting from the digits which are placed at ones place. As you can see, at ones place we have 5 and 2. When 5 and 2 are subtracted, will give you 3. After that, move to tens place. Here we have 8 and 3. When we subtract 8 and 3, we will get 5. Then here we have same number at hundreds place. So when we subtract the same number, what we will get? We will get 0. So 4 minus 4 will give you 0. Now next move to the digits which are at thousands place. Here at thousands place we have 7 and 5. When we subtract 7 and 5, we will get 2. Now children, at 10,000s place we have only one single digit, and that is 1. So here you have to write 1 as such. So what is your answer? So yes, or the difference of these two numbers is 12,053. Okay, so let's move to the next question, that is question number 4A. Okay, so here how many digits are there? Here we have 6 digits, right? So we will start subtracting from the digits which are at ones place. So at ones place we have 0 and 0. When we subtract these two, we'll get the same digit, that is 0. Now we have at tens place 9 and 1. 9 and 1 when subtracted will give you 8. So write it down. 8 minus 2. At hundreds place we have 8 and 2. So 8 minus 2, what you will get? After subtracting, we'll get 6. At thousands place, we have 7 and 3. So, when we subtract 7 and 3, we'll get 4. Now, we have at 10,000s place 6 and 4. When we subtract 6 and 4, we will get 2. Now the last column is left, that is at 10,000s place we have 5 and 2. When we subtract 5 and 2, we'll get 3. So your answer is 3,24,680.